Does your iron look like this? Never do that. It can permanently damage the iron's surface. Instead, let me show you a simple home method that will make your iron look like new. The sole plate often collects burnt fabric, water deposits, and detergent residues, creating stubborn grime. Just apply some toothpaste to the burnt surface, preferably whitening toothpaste, which acts as a gentle cleaner. Spread it over the entire sole plate. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on top. This natural abrasive, combined with the toothpaste, forms a powerful cleaning paste. Now gently scrub. Just a few strokes, and the burnt marks will start to disappear. For older stains, repeat the process or leave the paste on for a few minutes. Once clean, wipe the sole plate with a damp sponge to remove any residue. This simple trick can save your iron. No need to buy a new one. And you'll save quite a bit of money too. Mix coffee with toothpaste. You'll see it's worth doing regularly. Start by preparing a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and pour in hot water, ideally at around 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a teaspoon of sugar, then a small amount of toothpaste. Stir well until everything combines into a thick, dark liquid with a strong scent. Strain it through cheesecloth and a fine sieve to remove any residue. Then add about 7 ounces of clean water, mix again, and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This mixture is perfect for cleaning. Spray it on your sink, wait a moment, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Limescale, grime, and streaks disappear instantly. You can also use it on faucets or in the shower. It removes water spots, soap scum, and other dirt with ease. Coffee works as a gentle abrasive, while toothpaste helps polish surfaces. It's a simple cleaning trick using ingredients that often end up in the trash. Optical stores don't want you to know this. I'm sure you'll thank me for this trick. No matter what kind of lens material you have, your glasses can get scratched during daily use. You'll need just 2 ingredients you definitely have at home to fix them. Grab a small bowl, add a bit of toothpaste. It works as a natural polish. Then add a little dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until smooth. Apply the mixture to your lenses, focusing on the scratched areas. Gently rub it in using a glasses cleaning cloth. Repeat this on both sides of each lens. This trick works because the tiny particles in the toothpaste gently buff the area around the scratch. Put the glasses in a bowl of water to rinse off the paste. Take them out and dry carefully with a microfiber cloth. Thanks to this method, your glasses will look like new. Try it and see the difference. This blue liquid will make stainless steel shine like new. You'll never reach for store-bought cleaners again. Start by preparing a spray bottle. That's where you'll create the magic mix. Now grab some toothpaste. It's not just for brushing teeth, it's also a great cleaner. Squeeze a bit directly into the bottle, then add some rubbing alcohol to prevent streaks. The next ingredient is vinegar, perfect for removing limescale and grease, leaving surfaces shiny. Pour a small amount into the bottle. Now add a little baby oil. It acts as a protective layer. Top it all off with filtered water if possible. Close the bottle tightly and shake well. Check the bottom to make sure the toothpaste has fully dissolved. Your cleaner is ready. Spray it on all your stainless steel surfaces and wipe with a cloth. No more greasy smudges or grime. Stainless steel will shine and look like new. With this method, you'll avoid harsh store-bought chemicals and keep surfaces cleaner for longer. This blue ball will change your toilet forever. You won't want to use traditional methods anymore. First, prepare a cutting board and a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes dirt, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and helps get rid of limescale buildup. Now, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. The toothpaste not only freshens and removes bacteria, but also helps whiten surfaces and leaves a pleasant scent. Mix everything with your hands until the ingredients are well combined and form a smooth mass. Then, shape small balls that are ready to use immediately. Drop 1 ball into the toilet tank. It will dissolve gradually, keeping your toilet clean and fresh with every flush. You can also drop a ball directly into the toilet bowl. It will remove dirt and neutralize bad odors. Flush the water and enjoy perfect cleanliness every time. It's a quick, cheap, and effective way to maintain hygiene in the toilet. Put toothpaste on a lemon and toss it into the drum. The result will surprise you. Few people regularly clean their washing machine, often putting it off. Unfortunately, this habit is a bad one. Washing machines collect a lot of dirt, but these simple ingredients will keep yours in perfect condition. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive cleaners. Cut a lemon in half and spread toothpaste on each piece. Both lemon and toothpaste have antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Drop the prepared lemon halves into the washing machine. Next, lift the rubber seal around the drum and sprinkle some baking soda inside. Then, pour vinegar over it. Finally, run a short wash cycle. And that's it. Once the cycle is done, remove the lemon, and your washing machine will be as good as new. This method ensures a disinfected and refreshed interior while also removing limescale and preventing future buildup. This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home. Recipe for homemade grout cleaner. After 15 minutes, they looked like new. It's incredibly effective and budget-friendly. The results are fantastic. In a bowl, pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Finally, add a teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything to achieve a paste-like consistency. Dirt, mold, and dust accumulate on grout lines. Their rough surface makes cleaning them difficult and time-consuming. Instead of scrubbing the grout with a brush, it's better to use the paste trick. Apply a thick layer of the mixture on dirty grout lines. Use a toothbrush for this purpose. The paste must cover the entire surface thoroughly. Leave it on for 15 minutes. If the grout lines are very dirty, you can extend this time up to an hour. After this time, remove the paste, wipe the floor with a wet cloth, and leave the grout lines. When they dry, you'll see a colossal difference. They'll regain their original color, and you won't have to scrub them. They'll be clean and mold-free. In the recording, you can see how huge the difference is. On the left is the grout cleaned with the paste, and on the right is the dirty grout. I do this once every few months, and my bathroom looks like new.